Hello friends, welcome to our Scholar channel. Today we learn 10 birds' name. Let's start. First, you subscribe my channel, please. First bird name H-E-N, hen. C-O-C-K, cock. C-R-O-W, crow. D-O-V-E, dove. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. D-U-C-K, duck. O-W-L, owl. R-O-B-I-N, robin. S-W-A-N, swan. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Friends, write down the 10 birds' name in your notebook. Hen, cock, crow, dove, eagle, duck, owl, robin, swan, parrot. Homework time. What is the name of this bird? What is the name of this bird? Please write your answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.